Hi, I'm Laura and I'll be walking you through how to create your community profile on Zamplo. Our community feature empowers you to find others with the same or similar diagnosis worldwide. With community, you can chat one-to-one with others, share health journeys, expand your health knowledge, and build a global support system. In the app, click on Community in the bottom left-hand corner. Click on Let's Get Started, and then on Create a Profile. If you have already set up your main Zamplo profile, you can turn on Sync with Main Profile to maintain the same information. You can also choose to create a different username to remain anonymous. Go ahead and fill out your username. If you're choosing not to sync your account with your main profile, go ahead and enter your medical conditions, year of birth, biological sex, city, and country. Lastly, write a little bit about you and what brings you to Zamplo Community. If you'd like, you can also have the option to turn on incognito mode, which keeps others from being able to search for you. After choosing your preferred settings, go ahead and click on Save. And there you go, you're all done setting up your community profile. You can now start privately and securely connecting with a global community of peers and motivating others to take control of their health journeys.